Welcome back, coin collectors and enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of British currency as we explore the top 4 most valuable 10 pence Elizabeth II coins. These coins are more than just spare change, they're pieces of history with intriguing stories and significant value. Let's get started. 1992 10 pence. The 1992 10 pence coin was part of a significant change in the United Kingdom's coinage. Before 1992, the 10 pence coin had a much larger diameter of 28.50 millimeters. However, this year marked the transition to a smaller version of the coin with a reduced diameter of 24.50 millimeters, making it more convenient to carry and more cost-effective to produce. Designed by Christopher Ironside, the 1992 10 pence features the iconic profile of Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse, as was customary for all British coins. The reverse side, which remained consistent with previous designs, displays a crowned lion, a symbol of British strength and pride. This design had been in use since the coin's introduction in 1968, symbolizing continuity in British coinage despite the change in size. Now, let's talk about what makes the 1992 10 pence coin interesting for collectors. Since it was the first year of the smaller coin, it holds a special place in modern British numismatics. While the coin is not considered rare, its significance lies in its transitional status. Many collectors seek out this coin to complete a series or to highlight the change in size that occurred in 1992. In terms of value, the 1992 10 pence coin isn't typically worth more than its face value, especially if it's in circulated condition. However, uncirculated or proof versions of the coin can fetch higher prices. A coin in mint condition, for example, might be valued anywhere from PS1 to PS5, depending on its condition and market demand. It's also worth noting that proof sets containing this coin are popular among collectors and can be valued significantly higher. When considering the value of your 1992 10 pence coin, always take into account the coin's condition. Coins that have been well preserved with minimal wear and clear, sharp details will always command a higher price. Checking online marketplaces, coin dealer sites, and auction results can give you an up-to-date idea of what these coins are currently selling for. 1969 10 pence. The 1969 10 pence coin is part of the British decimalization process that began in the late 1960s. Before decimalization, Britain used a system based on pounds, shillings, and pence, which had been in place for centuries. The move to decimal currency was a significant shift, aimed at modernizing the economy and simplifying everyday transactions. Designed by Christopher Ironside, the 1969 10 pence coin features a portrait of Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse, with the inscription Elizabeth II DG, Reg, FD, which stands for Elizabeth II DI Gratia Regina Fidei Defensor, meaning Elizabeth II, by the grace of God, Queen Defender of the Faith. The reverse showcases a majestic lion, symbolizing strength and courage. Along with the denomination 10, this design was standard for the larger size 10 pence coins issued between 1968 and 1981. Let's go over the specifications. Diameter 28.5 mm, weight 11.31 grams. Composition cupro nickel 75% copper, 25% nickel. Edge milled. This coin is often referred to as a large 10 pence, as its size was reduced in 1992 to better fit with other decimal coins. In 1969, over 72 million 10 pence coins were minted, making it a common coin in circulation at the time. While this might suggest it's not particularly rare, the condition of the coin plays a crucial role in its value. Uncirculated or proof versions of the 1969 10 pence can be much more valuable than those that have seen heavy use. So what is this coin worth today? In circulated condition, a 1969 10 pence coin might only be worth its face value or slightly more, often fetching between PS 0.10 to PS 0.50 depending on its wear. However, coins in uncirculated or proof condition can command significantly higher prices. These can range from PS2 to PS5, with some particularly pristine examples or those with unique minting errors fetching even more at auction. 1995 10 pence. The 1995 10 pence coin is part of the decimalization of British currency, which began in 1971. This particular coin features the third definitive portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Raphael Makhlouf. This portrait was introduced in 1985 and remained in use until 1997, showcasing Her Majesty in the regal and dignified style Makhlouf was known for. The reverse side of the coin features a lion, a symbol of Britain's strength and courage, designed by Christopher Ironside. The 10 pence coin has undergone several changes over the years, but the design remained consistent until 2008, when the size of the coin was reduced. Now let's talk about the specifications. The 1995 10 pence coin has a diameter of 28.5 millimeters, weighs 11.31 grams, and is composed of cupronickel, which is 75% copper and 25% nickel. These coins were struck at the Royal Mint, with millions of them produced for circulation. So what about its value? While the 1995 10 pence coin is relatively common, its value can vary depending on its condition. In general circulation, these coins are worth their face value, which is 10 pence. However, uncirculated or proof versions of this coin, especially those in pristine condition, can be worth significantly more. For example, a 1995 10 pence coin in uncirculated condition can be worth between PS1 to PS3, depending on the demand among collectors. Proof versions, which were specially struck and came in sets, can fetch even higher prices, typically around PS5 to PS1 or more. While the 1995 10 pence coin isn't particularly rare, it holds a special place in collections due to its historical context and design. If you're looking to add one to your collection, consider finding one in the best condition possible, as this will increase its value over time. 2009 10 pence. The 10 pence coin, often referred to as a tenner, was first introduced into circulation in the UK in 1968. However, the 2009 edition stands out for a couple of reasons. By 2008, the design of the UK coins underwent a major transformation to commemorate a new series of designs based on the Royal Shield of Arms. The 2009 10 pence coin features the lower right section of the Royal Shield, a part of a larger design that connects with other coins of that year. Queen Elizabeth II's effigy, designed by Ian Rank Broadley, is on the obverse side of the coin. This portrait was first introduced in 1998 and was widely used until 2015, making it an iconic representation of the Queen during this period. On the reverse side, as mentioned, you'll find part of the Royal Shield. The 2009 coin is part of the new design series, which was a departure from the traditional designs featuring iconic British symbols such as the lion. The shield design was meant to represent the unity of the United Kingdom and its heritage. The coin is composed of copper-nickel, a durable alloy consisting of copper and nickel, weighing 6.5 grams, and with a diameter of 24.5 millimeters. The edge of the coin is milled, a feature that's not only decorative but also functional, as it prevents counterfeiting. One important aspect of any coin's value is its mintage number. The 2009 10 pence coin had a relatively high mintage with millions of these coins produced. However, that doesn't mean it's not worth holding on to. Coins from this series are still in circulation today, but finding one in uncirculated or near mint condition can be challenging, especially as they age and more are taken out of circulation by collectors.